dun, 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 dun. Slime collection. Ay! Ow! Wait. No! Come back, slime. Beautiful slime. Wait. My slime is overflow. There's the eggs in the face. Wait. This one's overfilled. Okay. Let me put some in this one. This one barely got any. Like this one. Slime. So let's split a little bit of slime here. A little bit of slime in here. A little bit of slime in here. A little bit of slime in here. And I have 3 containers of slime. Wait, is that this? Yeah. These are the eggs. And I have my type. It's my mom has her own. I have this one for slime. This one's slime. This one's my slime I made just right now, like an hour ago. I want to make this video. And I have this, so I might add it too. Just gonna play with my slime. I'm not gonna put them together. These, no, not together. These guys make it happen. And I did my one. So yeah, beautiful slime. Just been making some slime. Ariana make some slime. Ariana come and make some slime with me. And y'all wanna make some slime with me. No. I can close your door. Yes, okay. She's sleeping. Should I get glitter all over me? No. I don't like glitter all over me. Hate it. It's a blue slime. They're all blue. I think it is. Oh, satisfying. Bubble. Bubble. Wait, there wasn't a bubble. None of them were. Oh, no. I went on the floor. I want to go to school on Monday. I have a test. It's sad. I don't like tests. They're annoying and boring. Okay, just put that back in my container. Go. What did I say, honey? Good. Slime these days, huh? So, go to my Instagram account, cause I'm out about to do that. I'm out about to do live. Bye. You better be late, so go watch me at Cruise Ariana 528. Peace. No, wait. Shoutouts, okay. Wait, no one gets shoutouts. Oh, there's slime on the spoon. this skinny spinny slime. This is good slime. Okay. Yep, yeah. Let's get this slime. Oh, I like this slime. Okay. For me to put it. Okay, wait, no, Carmen. Wait, no. If you would want to make this, just tell me. If you need to know how to make this slime, you would just need slime. I mean, glue, any glue, activator, small one, small. It has to be small. This kind of clean and fresh one. Simple, clean and fresh Tide. It can be anything. And then, if you want to make Easter slime, I'm waiting until Easter pumpkin makes Easter slime after I can put the books on. That's why I have it in the container. And if I don't have enough Easter stuff, then I will have slime all over me. No. Oh my god, it's changing slime all over me. Slime. Okay. And whoever doesn't make slime, make slime. Because shame on you. All you need to make slime is you can use this or put it in the fridge. Yeah, put it in the fridge for an hour, I think. I don't know. Some 10 minutes or more. And or you can use hair gel, oil. Make slime if you don't have glue. And then put that in the refrigerator. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you this is fluffy slime. Yeah. Fluffy slime. Fluffy slime. I can show you. It's like a pillow. No, don't break up into pieces. Remember? If you break into pieces, I'm poop you. No, I don't like this one. I don't like this one. That one's not tight. This one's the worst one I made. This is the worst one I made. This one, probably, I don't know about this one. Okay. I don't know about this one. I kind of like this one. I don't like this one. What does it smell? It's breaking on me. Don't break on me. I like this slime. Yeah, pretty good. I never knew I made this good slime. And I don't have no more glue. I have to go back to the dollar store, get more glue. I need all the. I have to wipe it on my hands because I want to knock it. It's not icky. It's okay. But I think this one's the best one I made. Yeah, this one's the best one I made. Yeah, I think that one's the best one. See? It's the best one I made. The others, not sure. Okay. But this is the best. Stretchy, you know. Wait. I can make bubbles with this one. I like to. I just like playing with it. Like poking it. And if you want all the hair don't think this is slime. And Chingon because it is slime. I like it. You got a Sunny D?
No.
Yeah, you do.
I'm being sarcastic.
Can I have one?
Go ahead.
Can you give me one, please? Please, it's a good. We have whipped cream.
Where?
Yeah, we got whipped cream. No, it's for the pancakes. No, no. Hi,
Huh? Nothing, I'm getting...
Huh? I don't know. She's not in the kitchen. That's me. We're opening the Sunny D's. Yeah. Can you help me? No, open. Open. No. It's hard to open. Wow. Open. Oh, right. Wait. Oh, I think I ate slime. Never mind. Let me puke. You opened it? Oh.
No.
No, you didn't open it. This is hard to open. Oh, I finally opened it. So, no, open. Open. Come on. This channel's only going to be about slime now. Not TikToks, not anything. Sanity. Gosh, this expired on July 29th, 2019. It could expire in a long time. I'm just gonna close that. Put that over there. And I want to mix. I don't know you put. Wait, which channel is better on it? Oh yeah, this one. This one. This one. I just told you. Cause like it pokes. All of them do. But it's like this one because it's stretchy too. And it didn't break. This one. And then let me fly. I need more glue. Where's the dollar store? Boop. And here's my stack of eggs. Yeah. I don't really want to go. Oh yeah, and bite some Tide. You guys will need some Tide. Yeah. I still have. I still have half. What? mom's so mad at me right now. I put tight on my pants. Wait, no, now this is closed. Gosh, goodness. Okay, good. It's for clothes, guys. But you also need it for slime. I won't need it for slime. Parents. Imagine parents make slime. Well, parents can make slime. But if they're like parents that never made slime. I made slime multiple times. Probably 4 times I made slime. My first time I made slime. I never used Tide when I made slime. Like the first time I made it, I never used. I always use Icon Solution, and we went to Dollar General with Icon Solution glue, and then oh yeah, we got Icon, and we got food coloring, like those little dogs thing. Put it in the thing. Oh my god, and we don't have that anymore. We wasted it all. I made pink slime. No. Blue slime. It was so stretchy, but when my dad had it in his hands, it made it. Oh, I got this little cutting. Wait, no, slime. Wait, circle. Wait. Was it do something? Erase it. I did it! Wait. It's the thing for the shower. My shower. I need more. Because mine is rusty. Wait. I think from here? No. Here. No. Here. Yeah. No. Here. No. A little more. Here. Oh, no. You say that? If I don't break nothing. You want to see my doggy? I will show you her. She's sleeping, but I just woke her up. I'm just gonna play with it. Tomorrow, I have these small containers for that. Yeah. I love slime. These were all my slime containers. I had bought at the thrift store and glue. Let me show you the bottle. Glue. Where is it? I don't know. You have more glue in here? Oh, there's more glue. I'm gonna make a little bit more slime. Make a small little slime. No, there's glue in here. There's glue in here. I didn't know. Just gonna make a little more slime. No, I think I overactivated. Haha. Slime. I made slime. I don't know where we're going. halfway. Blue. Okay, so just start mixing. No, not halfway good. Halfway the bottle of container. I need slime. Just make small slime. I need to change. I'm all dirty. It's 11 o'clock. wants this slime? Comment down below. Just mix. Blue, I'm a blue girl. It's going, it's going. Let me get my pencil. My pencil. Slime. It's not sticky. It's okay. It's not bad. If you guys want, I'm gonna make it fluffy. And I'm gonna just add. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Fluffy slime, fluffy slime. Who wants fluffy slime? It's no sticky, no sticky. It's good. Sometimes, but when you play with it, it's not sticky. And you can, if you have food color, make food color because I don't want to add food color if I don't, I want to make it white. If you guys didn't know, if you guys wanted whatever color. Okay. it. No. I'm scared. I know. Why? Why? Wait. Everything's in my face. Okay, there we go. Who wants this one? I don't want it because I like it. I don't want it because I already have 3 stacks of glue right here. 3 stacks. I don't need more. Again. I know that. Trying to make more slime. And then make her more stuff. I guess it's still at the store. I just get all like, wow. I don't want to use my hands. Ew. Ew. So I'm coming out. No, 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 no. No, no. Don't stick on the egg. It's bad slime. It's not bad slime. It's sticking on. Good slime. It's a fluffy thing. Anyway, it's homemade slime. It definitely a lot more. Just scoop it again. See, scoop. That's all I need. Closet. Mama. Shoot. He knows how to do that. Shoot, wait. Shoot, wait. Shoot, wait. Shoot, wait. And I have to. Shoot, wait. And I have to. Shoot. It's hard for me to do. Shoot. Bye.